Welcome to the University of Hawaii Internal Medicine Residency program. Most people are aware that Hawaii has beautiful scenery and it's a beautiful place to live with warm weather year-round, but it's really the warmth of the people here that make this place special. Because of this, it's easy to have a very positive culture and a supportive clinical learning environment where everybody that we work with is warm and friendly and supportive at our training sites. If there's one thing I'd like to point out about our program in terms of strengths, in one word, it would be diversity. We have very diverse residents, diverse faculty, diverse staff, and diverse training sites.
The University of Hawaii Internal Medicine Residency program is dedicated to nurturing the next generation of physicians. We are fortunate to have dedicated faculty to serve as clinician educators in this endeavor.
Resident autonomy is a major focus for our program. The hospitalists will give you a lot of room to grow.
All the nurses and staff get to know you really well. The patients are extremely grateful for their care. And as residents, we have a lot of autonomy. We're able to do a lot of procedures and really develop skills firsthand.
I think I would describe the program as really supportive, and honestly, you have a lot of resources and a lot of available mentors.
One of the unique things about this program is our firm system. It's a fun way for residents to have some friendly competition throughout the year. Residents earn points by going above and beyond in their rotations, but also initiating social activities outside the hospital or just being team players in general.
What makes our program unique is that we desire actually to work as a team, and that goes from our staff to our patients, to their families, to my colleagues when I was a resident, and the faculty. Everyone's working together.
We're given the opportunity to take care of patients who really need us the most, and you're given this right balance of autonomy to be able to grow as a strong resident, as a strong internist, but at the same time being supported by people who are more experienced than you and kind of guiding you through this very rigorous level of medicine.
We take great pride in cultivating an ʻOhana, or family-like atmosphere. Our aim is to create a supportive learning environment characterized by teamwork and mutual respect.
So wellness is an ideal that we at UHMRP value. We have built a culture of accountability, compassion, and teamwork, which is reflected in many of the events we put on throughout the year. From our welcome event at Dave & Buster's, where the new interns get a chance to meet many of their upper-level co-residents and attendings in an informal event. As we move through the year, some highlights to look forward to are the intern retreat, where the interns get some well-deserved rest and relaxation, while enjoying a range of events throughout the year, such as escape rooms, potlucks, and team building exercises. Later in the year, we have our annual resident retreat, which is a highlight of the year for our program.
I think that we have an amazing sense of camaraderie and fellowship amongst the various residents. We all come from various backgrounds, so a lot of us are from Hawaii actually, but we also have people who come from the US mainland and also abroad, and there's just this aspect of having all of these people from various cultures coming together and working together. That's a perfect way to describe our program.
Being IMG here, I initially thought that might be a challenging here. Being IMG, I'm from Japan, but to be honest, it was completely different. I felt so welcoming.
I think what made me want to apply to UHMRP was that I went to medical school here. Everyone really cares about everyone else's learning, and everyone is a great support to each other as well.
Get a hands-on approach, being able to scrub into the cath lab, being able to do procedures like central lines has been something that has been kind of life-altering and something that I'll remember for the rest of my career.
The program is a good place to learn and feel like an equal. I'm new here, just a couple of weeks in, but I still feel like my attendings and my co-residents sort of respect what I have to say, and I think that kind of permeates everything. It's very welcoming. I think that's the best way to describe the program.
Thank you for watching our video today, and we hope you take the opportunity to learn more about what our program has to offer.